Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm just getting ready to order some ramen from a place I've never been to before. I think I had some ramen from a Japanese restaurant, but they only serve it on Sundays, if I can recall, and I had some Vietnamese pho, but I don't have a really good sized bowl, so I got on Amazon and I had ordered these bowls, but they've been in the box for a while, so I thought I'd get them out because I have to wash one of them at least in preparation for going out and picking up some ramen noodles or ramen. So as soon as I finish this, so let's take a look inside this box. If I can recall, I had to order these spoons separately. So the box only comes with 4 bowls. So let's open this. Well, they seem to be ceramic. Really heavy duty. And there, like I said, there are 4 in here. And they are packed in styrofoam. So they're in these little styrofoam holders, which at least these 2 so far have been protected. Didn't notice anything wrong. Whoops. And except for me breaking them, there's 2 more. So you can hear that. They're really heavy duty. Dishwasher Safe. Oh, microwave safe too. And of course they are made in China, but sort of a matte finish. Is that what they would call that? It's not like really hard gloss finish. Not like the interior. You can see that. Red high gloss interior. I kind of like that. Of course there are all types of bowls, really extravagant, expensive ones. I might try to find a nice one with a pattern that I like, a single bowl. But yeah, that's, I don't know how you pronounce that. Kook, Japanese noodle bowls, and they are dishwasher. They're supposed to be dishwasher and microwave safe bowls. And again, let's see. Yeah, I believe these were separate. So these, they just say from Happy Sales, so they do have the notches on them, I guess. If you see, they seem to go with these bowls where you get that notch and that just goes on like that. So yeah, just wanted to do this quick video before I go order my ramen and go pick it up for takeout and get, I might order 2 different types of ramen, I don't know. And I gotta wash these bowls and get set up. So hope you found this video helpful for if you're looking for a ramen bowl, large soup bowl, pho bowl. They got a nice tone to them. Ceramic. And seem to be good quality. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful.